Welcome to Brainobrain Kids Academy, unlocking the genius within. At Brainobrain, we believe every child is unique and possesses immense potential. Our mission is to nurture their talent, boost their creativity, and empower them with essential life skills. Our innovative Brainobrain program combines the power of mental arithmetic and personality development. It stimulates both hemispheres of the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities, concentration, memory, and problem-solving skills. Our experienced and dedicated instructors create a supportive environment where children gain confidence, communication skills, and leadership qualities. They learn to express themselves effectively and overcome challenges, preparing them for a successful future. Founded in the year 2003, Brainobrain is now a global pioneer in the abacus industry, with an ISO 9001:2015 certification and 2 Guinness World Records. Brainobrain's global presence sprawls across 45 countries through more than 1,000 centers and an alumni of 500,000 children. For its commendable service, Brainobrain has been awarded 2 Guinness World Records, Asia Book of Records, Times Education Icon Award, Pride of Indian Education Award, Best Kids Education Brand Award, Most Trusted Global Kids Education Brand Award. Join the Brainobrain family today and give your child the gift of limitless possibilities. With our proven methodology, personalized attention, and a fun-filled learning experience, we are committed to shaping young minds and helping them become tomorrow's leaders.